don't really like, but you know what, you give it a go. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing anything on my Xbox recording, I need a stand for my tablet so I can stand it up so I can record. And yeah, and so that's what I'll be doing. Plus, I forgot what I was going to say now. Sorry guys. Oh yeah, that's it. If any of you are watching from school, because it's Saturday, you probably have a match, maybe. More away. We're away today, unfortunately, but you know what, it's all good times. Currently, my little sister's at the caravan, so that's pretty good sometimes, but bad sometimes. She's sleeping there tonight. And then, cause usually in the summer my dad goes fishing, so they go before, so it's like I have to go with him. That's, good. Get to sit back, but in the rain you can't. And I'm trying to make these vlogs as long as possible for you guys. Just leave a tweet down below. No, a comment, I mean. And hope you have a nice day, pretty. As I said, I think I made 5 videos, and I've only started yesterday, and I spent about 20 minutes doing it. Soon I might do some Minecraft videos with my friends or solo on the 360. I might be speaking to some friends, like when I do something, don't mind things like messages, because I'll just answer them. And I hope you have fun watching the video, so bye, see you later.